Welcome to my Busy Mommy Maid Service website. Beautiful fresh picture. Housework doesn't have to be drudgery, and it could use a little bit more color. On my home page, we have a welcome offer here. Need an extra pair of hands to help? That's what we're here for. Looking to get your home cleaned with a company you can trust? Look no further, because we're right here in front of you. Any questions that you may have? Anything that we don't address in the initial page, our web page, our home page, you can contact us by phone. And one of the nice things about this website, is it's user-friendly. If you see up here at the top, we offer the same interest subjects that you may want us to address for you. We also offer the same thing on the side. The About Us. Actually, it's about me first and foremost. A small synopsis of why I created this particular company. And what I was thinking when I did that. Next up, the services that I offer. 3 different options that may fit your schedule. Weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. And available schedules. Available services, whole house or main living areas only. Any of the options that you choose, these are the things that we will do within the house to make sure that it's squeaky clean and ready for you to come back home into. At the bottom here, you can see the choose your service option. Oh, and by the way, we included PayPal. These are the options, and these prices are very normal, perhaps a lot better than some of the others that are being offered at this time. And this is whole house cleaning and partial as well. Contact us. You can do that too. And that's pretty easy to do. Looking forward to hearing from you. This is our address. Contact form, pretty simple. If there are any concerns that you may have, you can address them here in the comment or message section. Then you submit it. And we get right back at you ASAP. That's a walk through the 4 pages. Now, let me show you the Google AdWords section of my website. I think without using Google AdWords and Google Analytics, it would have been very difficult for me to perform well with this particular website. 45 interactions, impressions 3,249, interaction rate 1.39, average cost 104, conversions 21, costs / conversions 2.24, cost 46.95. I'm not exactly all the details that we're looking for, but I'm trying to scroll down slowly so that you're able to see everything, or as much as possible. Okay, so let me take a look at the Google Analytics as well. Some of the stats. Oops, let me see if I can get that to go up a little bit. That will help. And we started this program the time that we were designated to, I believe it was March 12 through March 29. This is all of the information. Thank you.